What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the FitMenCook kitchen. We are on day 2 of our HIIT Smoothies challenge, where we are challenging ourselves to get active for at least 15 minutes each day, and then also enjoying a heart-healthy smoothie right afterwards. Now, today's workout is inspired by another one of my favorite persons in social media, and that is Kaisafit. The thing that I really love about her workouts is that they are high energy, they are high impact, but she also shares a lot of stuff that you can do at home. So today we're gonna take up the Kaisafit home challenge, and this workout is inspired by her. Now, working out is much more enjoyable with your homies, so I got my boy Jay Fit here, Josh, to do this with me. Now, there is one more challenge with the Kaisafit challenge. She does all of her workouts smiling. She has a big old Kool-Aid grin the entire time. So you have to actually do 3 rounds of this workout smiling. After each round, we're gonna rest for 1 minute and then do it again. The base challenge is to do this for 3 times, so you get 15 minutes of good sweating, and then go and make the post-workout smoothie. All right, let's get started. Remember, guys, you gotta smile the entire time. You gotta smile. Ooh. Are we smiling, Josh? Josh ain't smiling. You ain't not smiling.
I'm smiling.
Yeah, I know. If it's too much for you with the press, just do this.
10 seconds.
Just like this. Modify. Just like this. Ooh. Oh, he's smiling? Stop smiling for a second.
Smile.
Mm-hmm. Josh, you ain't smiling, bro.
I'm having to force
Josh ain't
myself to
smiling.
laugh.
Josh ain't smiling.
To laugh to keep this. 5. Come on, Cam, smile, bro.
I'm smiling big. Hey.
All right.
Yeah. Smiling?
I'm smiling.
Just like this.
Come on.
If you gotta modify it, hands up under your hips.
Don't be
Right to the side. Keep smiling. We're smiling. We're still smiling. This way. Are you smiling? You just kicked me. It's sweating. My fault, bro.
Try not to kick your partner. And switch.
There we go.
Come on.
Are you smiling?
Try it. Come on. And switch.
Spin around. Keep going. Kaisa, coming for you. Coming for you, Kaisa.
Coming for you, girl. 2 and 1.
The challenge is to do this 2 more times for the base. If you want a gold star, you can do it 4 or 5 times. But just get active for 15 minutes today with the Kaisafit challenge. You aren't following her on social media? You definitely should. Look her up.
It's hard to smile.
It's hard to smile and do what we just did with a smile. So props to you, Kaisa. I'm still coming for you. All right, guys, let's go into the kitchen and make a smoothie. All right, y'all, for today's smoothie, we are making a delicious berry blast smoothie. Here's what you're gonna need to get this thing going. Frozen berries. I like to buy the frozen berries because you get a wider assortment. Plus, they are frozen, so they can act as ice. Next, we're gonna toss in some milled flaxseed. Milled flaxseed is nutrient rich. It's also got these amazing antioxidants in there called lignans. And lignin helps to basically balance the hormones in our body, as well as it has been linked to help out with your immunity, which is great after a hard workout. Next, you're gonna grab your favorite protein. I've got some whey protein here. If you wanna use some collagen peptides, you can as well, or even some vegan plant-based protein. Next, you got some cottage cheese. It's going to be slower digesting. It's going to feed our muscles over time. And lastly, we're gonna add in some almond milk, or you can use water. I'm gonna use some almond milk. This stuff is only 30 calories per cup, and it's got 0 sugar added. All right, let's pop the top and watch it work. Here is our delicious berry blast smoothie. For me, this is a great smoothie size, but remember to always adjust smoothies and recipes to meet your fitness goals. make this smoothie, enjoy it, and then share it on social media as part of our Heart Healthy Challenge. All right, y'all, enjoy the workout and the smoothie. Cheers.
Smiling the whole time.
Yes. Again, people make it look so easy on social media. Yeah. It's hard to smile whenever your body's in pain. Your body's like, man, if you do one more burpee, you may just bust your teeth out right now. I really feel my body's like, man, stop playing with yourself.
I had to stop laughing. had to force myself to laugh.
In order to keep smiling?
I had to force myself to laugh.
I think I was laughing because I was delirious. Those little curtsies right here, oh my God, all this is just burning.
Glutes are gonna be on point today.
Yeah.
And that little kick you got me.
Oh, my fault, bro. My fault. It's all love, see? That's why you gotta deal with the workout partner. It's gonna be much more enjoyable. Hope y'all enjoy it.